Welcome to the garage at Horizon360 headquarters. Today we're going to go through how to install a tracking device on a piece of landscaping equipment. It doesn't look like much, but this device has the power to transform a stand-on, wide area, or zero-turn mower into a mean green business insight machine. These devices work on any brand of equipment. Today, we're using a Toro Z-Master zero-turn mower. What you're looking for is a safe metal mounting place away from the deck, the rider, and any pinch points on the machine. Make sure the top of the device has a clear view of the sky. Right here at the base of the roll bar is good. The box has everything you need to mount. Self-tapping screws and zip ties work well. Secure the device as tightly as possible and connect it to the battery, aligning the positive and negative terminals. You'll likely have some excess cable. Be sure to bind that up, tie it away, and avoid any pinch points on your equipment. Also in the box should be a decal with an ESN. This number connects your device to the software system. Place it on the device and snap a picture with your phone for reference. Pull the machine out in the daylight, turn it on, and drive it around for a minute so it can make the initial GPS connection. Back in the office, log on to Horizon360 to add your new device. Your photo of the ESN decal will come in handy here. Once your device is added, check the tracking section to make sure your test run got recorded. Going forward, information about when, where, and how your equipment is used is right at your fingertips in Horizon360. Show chaos who's boss.